Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim Scott, and this is your national weather forecast for Friday, January the 16th. As we head into the end of the work week, winter continues to have a firm grip on much of the country. We're tracking dangerous cold, gusty winds, and scattered snow chances, while a few areas manage to stay quieter, at least for now. Let's break it down. We'll start in the plains and central U.S. where cold Arctic air remains locked in place. Temperatures are running well below normal and winds are adding an extra bite to the air, keeping the wind chills uncomfortable and in some cases dangerous. Even though snowfall is limited in many spots today, the cold and wind alone can create hazardous conditions, especially for anyone working or traveling outdoors. Across the Great Lakes and Midwest, it's a classic mid-January setup. Skies stay mostly cloudy and periodic light snow or flurries remain possible, especially downwind of the lakes. While widespread heavy snow is not expected today, slick spots can still develop on untreated roads, particularly during the morning and evening hours. Temperatures stay cold and even light snow can have a outsized impact in these conditions. In the east and northeast, the Arctic air mass continues to settle in. Many areas are waking up to frigid morning temperatures, and highs today struggle to recover much. Any lingering moisture could result in a few flurries, but the bigger story remains the cold itself, with wind chills making it feel even colder. If you're heading out today, layers will be essential. Farther south, conditions are quieter but still chilly by southern standards. Cloud cover lingers in some areas with isolated light precipitation possible, but most locations stay dry. Even here, temperatures are running cooler than average, reminding us that this Arctic air has reached well beyond its unusual boundaries. Out west, the weather picture remains calmer. High temperatures continue to dominate the west coast and Rockies, bringing dry conditions and sunshine. Temperatures remain near to slightly above average, but the ongoing lack of moisture continues to raise concerns about snowpack levels in the mountains. This quieter stretch won't last forever, and we'll keep watching for changes ahead. So as we head into the weekend, cold air remains intense across much of the country. Light snow chances continue in the Great Lakes and Midwest. The West stays dry for now, and winter remains firmly in control. I'll continue tracking any changes closely and keep you up to date as the system develops. That's your natural weather forecast for Friday, January 16th from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Let's take a look at what's ahead for Indiana and Ohio as we head into the weekend and beyond, because winter is definitely holding on across this region as well. As we move through Friday, skies stay mostly cloudy across both Indiana and Ohio. There is a chance of snow developing mainly afternoon, but this is expected to be light in most locations. High temperatures reach near 35 degrees, and it feels a bit breezy at times with southwest winds between 11 to 14 miles per hour, gusting close to 30 miles per hour. Snow chances set around 30%, and if you do see snow accumulation, it should stay under a half inch anyway. Friday night, clouds remain in place with another chance of snow, mainly after 1 a.m. Overnight, lows fall to around 23 degrees with a light southwest breeze continuing. Once again, any snow that falls looks minor, with less than a half inch expected at most. On Saturday, we keep a slight chance of snow early, mainly before 1 p.m. Skies gradually turn partly sunny, and temperatures remain cold, topping out near 26 degrees. West winds between 6 to 11 miles per hour will add a bit of a chill, but snow chances stay low, around 20%. Saturday night turns cold and quiet. Skies become partly cloudy, and temperatures drop sharply to around 9 degrees by Sunday morning. Sunday brings some welcome sunshine. Expect mostly sunny skies, but it will stay cold with highs only reaching around 20 degrees. Sunday night remains mostly cloudy with lows dipping to around 7 degrees. For Martin Luther King Day on Monday, we keep the sunshine around. Skies are mostly sunny, but temperatures stay very cold with highs near 13 degrees. Monday night turns frigid with mostly clear skies and lows dropping to around 2 degrees above zero. This will likely be the coldest night of the stretch for many locations. By Tuesday, sunshine continues, highs recover slightly, but remain cold, reaching around 19 degrees. Tuesday night, clouds increase again with lows settling near 12 degrees. So overall, we're looking at light snow chances, breezy conditions at times, and continuing cold across Indiana and Ohio, especially heading into the first half of next week. I'll continue tracking any changes, especially if snow chances increase or temperatures get even colder. That's your latest forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Take care, stay warm, and I'll see you next time with your next weather update.